Welcome back to my channel Code for You, and in this video we are discussing about how basic uses of the images. Okay, okay. So open your notepad or any editor which you want and type HTML. Okay, sorry. First of all, doc type which are we discuss in our last tutorial. Okay, HTML is a small and doc type is a in a caps. Okay, HTML. Okay, sorry, head, title. Okay, sorry, title tag, uh, tutorial 4. Okay, and our body part which is meant for us, which is visualized for our web page. Okay, sorry, it's and save. Then we are give a specific portion for our body area. Okay, so we take this div, yeah, shit. Style, margin 0 auto, so it fix some portion which is center of our main body page, and width we are set this for the 1080, which is standard format. Okay, so and just type tutorial for L4. Okay, so let's run this. It's our tutorial for HTML is okay, so it's here. And if we are not set this margin 0 auto, then what you can see what's happen, it start from the beginning, and when we give width 1080, then it's set. You can see this is our body and this is the set, and in 1080 means it's just give the background color, so you can easily understand. Okay, so you can see this 1080 width is here. Okay, and our web page is full, so we set this margin 080 and set the background, so we can easily understand. It's a common color, so I give. Okay, so you can see this space lead from this and from right side. Okay, leading this space, and our page is in the center of the screen. Okay, okay, so let's start. Set some one simple image, so it's a img tag, img our element, HTML element, and give the source path, so it's src equal to, and give your path name where your image is stored. And then one more thing is alter tag. Okay, alter attributes which is given for the alternated. If our image is not displayed, then this text is displayed. So we set this sample image. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, we can see this sample image because we are not set any path, and now we set the path. So what's the, it's a desert.jpg. okay, so give the our folder, it's our HTML, and we use the folder, so directory. So image is our directory name, and inside this our image desert.jpg. So then image desert.jpg. Okay, you can see it now. We can see, oh, it's too much large. Okay, so we give the width attribute, so set our width 100. Okay, so you can see 100 is our width and 200, so 200 which we want. Okay, as per our HTML web page view. Okay, okay. As we see, we can we set this image, and if we cannot get a proper path, set the proper path like this, so we can see this sample image, because we are setting the alternate tag sample image. Okay, so we can set this, we can set any format which is supported for the image, like a image, then jpg, jpeg, and we can set also we set the gif file. Okay, so we can copy this and set this, because we cannot set the directory path image. Okay, we just set the name of the our gif file. Okay, so first image, and then second is our jpg. It's a funny series. And we can also set this png file, which is png file is generally for the transparency. Okay, so we can set this png flower. Okay, flower.jpg. It's not, I think. Okay, it's not a png. We just download another png file. Okay, images, and we set this, I think, image, but it's not a png format. Okay, file. Okay, this is the png file. Save it as image and rename the apple.png. Okay, get the location. Okay, png, and set this as a png file. Okay, now we can see this. This is the transparency image. Okay, which is not. Okay, this is the basic use of image file. And now we can some advanced features, like we want to set the image and text both. Okay, so just set one div. Okay, div, and let's get this image as our and paragraph for the text. Okay, this is test paragraph, and we are not typing much, so we just copying. Okay, just copy this. Okay, like this. Okay, I think this. Okay, this is the paragraph, and now we can see this is which are the basics. And okay, we are set on the outside of the boundary, so this. Okay, you can see this is the image and this is the paragraph, and we are set this as a background color. Okay, sorry, it's a style background EEA. Okay, this is one another color. Okay, it's a light color. You can see this is the light front and light and white. Okay, and this is the simple image, but we want to set image and left side image and right side the text. So we can set this image as a float. set the style tag. Okay. And we set the float left. So we set this image and the paragraph, but this image is too much, so we can set this like okay. And we set one more the paragraph line, so you can set this. Okay, this is the paragraph and this front and left side. Okay, and if we want this image the right side of the paragraph, then just set the float right. Okay, and we just copy this, we don't want to add another. You can see this is the right side of the paragraph and this is the left image. Okay, this is the basic. And now some one more extra, we want to set image in the center of the text, and so just copy this div, copy, and just set the text align center. Okay, and we have to set this ending div at the right. Okay, so we can just now, sorry, something went wrong. Oh. Float right is not okay. You can set this is the image and below the text. Okay, center of the image. And some another guys want I want to type text on the image, so I just set this example div. Okay, and div, and set the background for the image. Background, sorry, it's I have style tag and background image. It's background image, and set the image URL in the background. Copy this URL and paste. Okay, and set some paragraph in the div tag. So you can see this is our image and background image and our text, but p tag and div over ending div. Okay, just one div. Okay, div, second div, third div, fourth div. Okay, we are mismatched. Another div, so this is okay. You can see, but we are not properly see this image. This is the sky of the our image, so set the background size. Okay, background size 100 px. So we can now see this image, our full image, but we are see this is the repeated image, so we set this size cover. Okay, sorry, no, not a cover, but okay, background repetition, we set the background 100, background repeat, so we set this no repeat. Okay, so you can see this is our image, and this text is on the image. And if you are knowing more CSS, then we can use also div image tag and set this image like this, style, position, relative. Okay, and set one image tag inside the div like this, and set one sample sample text on image. Okay, and close the paragraph, p tag, paragraph tag, and set this is the absolute means our starting of the block. Okay, not a starting of the block, but it's considered as a one block, and we set the absolute style for the just a minute, we just run this so you can get the basic idea. Okay, and we set the background color, set the background color as a F0. It's yellow. Okay, so you can see this our div portion, and we set this color, yellow color, and image and text. Now we just set this style as a absolute style, position absolute, so it's give the position. Okay, you can see this is the position, but this text is the outside the our main portion, so set the top 0. Okay, now you can see this is the text which are on the image, but we want this text left side 20 pixel, so you can see this text is moved the 20 pixel. Okay, so this is the basic uses of the HTML, and if you want the more learning about the CSS, then I can upload this video so you can see this the basics of the CSS. Okay, and thanks for the watching my video, and please subscribe and like and comment my channel, and thanks for the watching. Thank you guys.